Thank heavens for the new Forbes Clean Sweep from Eureka Forbes. The first and only upright cleaner in India that lets you vacuum and steam at the same time. The powerful 1600 watt motor gets steam ready in 30 seconds flat. It has variable electronic steam settings, and the Steam on Demand feature removes tough dirt and stains. The powerful steam jet eliminates 99.99% bacteria. The Clean Sweep features a large cleaning head for faster cleaning.
Wow!
Its powerful vacuum works across different surfaces. And the convenient drop-it system makes disposal of dirt hassle-free. And last but not the least, its storage-friendly design ensures convenient parking. Because smart moms never bow down to dirt. The Smart Forbes Clean Sweep Vacuum Cleaner.